In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential, whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or an entrepreneur. One of the first steps in establishing your online identity is choosing a web hosting provider. While there are numerous options available, this article will focus on an economical yet dependable choice: cheap web hosting. Cheap web hosting refers to hosting services that offer budget-friendly plans while ensuring the efficient functioning of your website. These hosting providers are committed to providing excellent services without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the benefits of choosing such hosting and what features to look for. Cost-effective, as the name suggests, the primary advantage is affordability. Cheap web hosting is a budget-friendly solution for individuals and small businesses looking to establish their online presence without a significant financial investment. User-friendly, most providers offer easy-to-use interfaces and tools, making it simple for users, even those with limited technical expertise, to manage their websites effectively. Reliability: despite the cost, reputable cheap hosting providers ensure decent uptime and reliability, which are vital for keeping your website accessible to visitors. Support: many of these providers offer customer support to address any issues promptly, ensuring that you're not alone in case of technical difficulties. Storage and bandwidth: adequate storage and bandwidth are crucial to accommodate your website's content and handle traffic effectively. Website builders: look for providers that offer website builders to simplify the process of creating and managing your site. Security: ensure the hosting provider offers security features like SSL certificates and regular backups to protect your website. Scalability: while you may start with a basic plan, the option to upgrade and scale your hosting services as your website grows is essential. Shared hosting is the most economical option, where your website shares server resources with multiple other sites. It's ideal for small websites or blogs. Virtual Private Server (VPS) hosting provides a more significant portion of server resources for your website, offering better performance and customization options. Cloud hosting utilizes a network of virtual servers, ensuring high uptime and scalability. It's an excellent choice for growing businesses. Reseller hosting allows you to sell hosting services to others, making it a potential source of income for entrepreneurs. Identify your website's specific requirements, such as the amount of storage, bandwidth, and the technology stack it requires. Look for a hosting provider with a track record of high uptime and reliability, ensuring your website is accessible at all times. Prompt and effective customer support is essential for resolving issues swiftly, so consider a provider with strong support services. Choose a hosting provider that allows you to upgrade your plan as your website grows, ensuring you can accommodate increasing traffic. While cost is important, consider the overall value you receive. Don't compromise quality for a lower price. Contrary to this belief, many affordable hosting providers offer reliable services, providing excellent value for your investment. While budget plans may have limitations, you can still find cheap hosting with sufficient features for most websites, including e-commerce. With the right cheap hosting provider and plan, you can successfully run an e-commerce website, provided you choose the appropriate features. Cheap web hosting is a viable and budget-friendly choice for individuals and small businesses looking to establish their online presence. By selecting the right provider and plan that aligns with your website's needs, you can enjoy the benefits of affordable hosting without compromising on quality. Yes, you can trust reputable cheap web hosting providers. Do your research to find a reliable one with a good track record. Yes, it can be suitable for e-commerce if you choose a hosting plan with the necessary features and resources. The main risk is potential limitations, such as reduced resources and support. However, these can be managed with the right provider. Some providers may have hidden costs, so carefully review the terms and conditions before signing up. Most hosting providers offer a smooth migration process. Contact your new hosting provider for guidance on transferring your website. The primary reason to opt for cheap web hosting is affordability. Small businesses and individuals often have limited budgets to allocate to their online endeavors. Cheap hosting services offer a cost-effective way to establish and maintain a web presence without straining your financial resources. This affordability extends to domain registration, as many hosting providers offer discounted or even free domain names with their plans. User-friendliness is another significant advantage of cheap web hosting. These providers understand that not everyone is a tech-savvy expert, and they design their interfaces and tools to be accessible and straightforward. This makes it easy for beginners and those with limited technical knowledge to create and manage their websites efficiently. Some skeptics may question the reliability of cheap web hosting, assuming that lower costs equate to lower quality. However, this is far from the truth. Reputable hosting providers in this category invest in their infrastructure to ensure decent uptime and reliability. While you might not get 100% uptime, you can still expect a reliable service that keeps your website accessible to visitors around the clock. When selecting a cheap web hosting provider, the goal is not just to find the lowest price but to secure the best overall value for your money. Consider your specific website needs, such as storage and bandwidth requirements, the technology stack your site utilizes, and its expected growth. By matching these needs with the right hosting plan, you can strike a balance between cost and quality, ensuring that you receive the best value possible. One common misconception is that cheap web hosting is synonymous with low quality. While it's true that some low-cost providers may compromise on quality, many offer reliable services that provide excellent value for your investment. The key is to do thorough research to find a reputable provider with a strong track record. Another misconception is that budget hosting plans come with limited features and capabilities. While it's true that the most basic plans may have some restrictions, you can still find cheap hosting options with a wide range of features suitable for most websites. This includes support for e-commerce, content management systems, and email hosting. Some believe that cheap web hosting is not suitable for e-commerce websites. However, with the right provider and plan, you can effectively run an online store without breaking the bank. Look for features such as Secure Sockets Layer, SSL, certificates, and support for popular e-commerce platforms to make your online business a success. Cheap web hosting is not just a cost-effective option, it's a strategic choice for individuals and small businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. By selecting a reliable provider and plan that aligns with your website's specific needs, you can enjoy the benefits of affordable hosting without compromising on quality or performance.